Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Mexican rice. Very simple and homemade. So first you want to grab your pot and put some oil in it. And we're going to be pouring in 1 cup of long grain rice and 1 garlic clove. And you just want to let that toast and keep mixing it around every so often. Now we're going to be making the sauce. So you'll need 2 tomatoes, a garlic clove, 2 cups of water, and a slice of onion. And also 1.5 tablespoons of consomme. And now blend. So now that the rice is toasted, we're gonna throw in our sauce. So once you pour in your sauce, you just want to leave it cooking until it starts boiling. And when it starts boiling, you want to go ahead and cover it with the lid and turn it down to low. And also, after you covered it, you just want to leave it cooking to 15 to 25 minutes. And it should be done as soon as you see the rice has risen. And there you have it. There's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and screenshot this. This is all the ingredients to this recipe. And also, go ahead and check out my other recipes. Here's the one from the last video. And I hope you guys enjoyed.